Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. Today I'm making another DIY video for you. The first project is a faux top tote bag. This bag is perfect to carry with you when you go shopping. It is very comfortable and convenient to carry around. The first thing that you should do is to trim down the length of the band so that you have 4 pieces. Turn the bands inside out and begin removing the seams on one side of each leg. Pin the legs and sew each of these sides. It's going to look like this. Fold each strap in half lengthwise and fold edges again towards the center fold. Sew along both edges. Take each strap and sew across the top of the bag to secure the straps in place. Sew your bottom about 5 centimeters above the elastic. The second idea I have is a bum bag. I decided to use these jean shorts that I don't use anymore. The first step is to remove the seam from the waistband. Cut this part of the shorts. Cut another part of the shorts. This is going to be the back part of the bum bag. Sew each of the sides. Sew along the length of the waistband. Finish the bum bag by sewing the wallet to the waistband. The third DIY is an apron. I'm going to use the remains of sound curtains. You are going to need 2 fabric pieces. Sew the hands and fold the curtain in half and place a plate of something round to trace half circle with chalk for neck hole. Cut the circle out. This is how it's going to look. Take the other curtain piece, pin it, and sew it on top of the first curtain piece. Fold each strap in half lengthwise and fold edges again towards the center fold. Sew along both edges. Sew the straps along each side of the apron. The last DIY is a nightgown. Cut a piece, fold it in half and half again. Trace half circle with bend for the arms. Cut out the trace hole for the arms. It's going to look like this. Sew the margins. Starting from the top, push the safety pin through the hem with the lace, all along the top of the nightgown. The nightgown is ready to use. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.